Hi guys and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the Summer Essentials Beauty Box from Next Beauty. The Summer Essentials Beauty Box worth over £45 and yours for £12. If you are looking to prep your skin for a special occasion or perhaps give your skincare routine a glow up for the new season, then the Summer Essentials Beauty Box has all the new and noteworthy products you will need. Okay guys, let's find out which products are summer essentials for us to have in the Next Beauty opinion. First summer essential product is from the brand L'Occitane, Almond Milk Concentrate. Enriched with almond milk and sweet almond oil from Provence, and formulated with 95% naturally derived ingredients, the almond milk concentrate delivers 48-hour hydration and visibly smoothens the skin. The rich, velvety texture of this body cream melts on the skin and is rapidly absorbed. I tried this body lotion from L'Occitane and yes, it's very nourishing. I am totally agree that a good body lotion is an essential product to have, especially if you have dry skin. Second summer essential product that we find is from the brand Dermalogica, Daily Microfoliant. This is a unique rice-based powder combined with a skin brightening complex of grapefruit and licorice that work to balance uneven pigmentation and give a more even complexion. This product can even be used over the eyes and lips. Product number 3 from the Summer Essentials Beauty Box is from the brand Glam Glow, Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Use overnight on blemishes or leave for 5 to 20 minutes for a full face mask. 96% of users said it immediately absorbed excess surface oil and dirt from skin, reducing pore size and leaving skin immediately healthier. Fourth summer essential is a well-known product for us is from Lancome, Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. This firming formula enhances the natural luminosity of your skin, promoting radiance. I love this face serum, it's very good, the formula is lovely, is lightweight, is absorbing fast into the skin. Only good things about this face serum. Fifth product from the beauty box is by the brand Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream, a hydrating, brightening and soothing eye care treatment designed to address dark shadows, firm skin and reduce puffiness. And the last summer essential product is a mascara from the brand Benefit. They are Real Lengthening Mascara. This miracle mascara lengthens, curls, gives volume to the lashes and is long wearing. So, if you want soft, fluttery lashes that last, just wiggle the wand from root to tip. Okay beautiful people, here are all the products from the Summer Essentials Beauty Box by Next Beauty. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you like the content? Would you change something? In my opinion, it's a nice beauty box, but it's called Summer Essentials Beauty Box and I think that they could have done it even better. First, an essential summer product is missing from the box and this is a good sunscreen. What else would I have liked to find in this beauty box is a beautiful summer perfume. And the last product that I think is missing from the box is a lip gloss. Well, this is my personal opinion. As I said, it's a nice beauty box, but they could have done it even better. Okay beautiful people, this was today's video. I hope you like it and find it useful. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!